Kenworth trucks. A complete detailed explanation. Welcome to this in-depth exploration of Kenworth, one of the most renowned truck manufacturers in the world. In this voiceover, we will cover everything about Kenworth, including its history, manufacturing, models, features, technology, and why it's a preferred choice for truck drivers. So, let's dive deep into the world of Kenworth trucks. 1. Introduction to Kenworth. Kenworth is an American truck manufacturer known for producing heavy-duty and medium-duty trucks. It is a subsidiary of PACCAR, one of the largest truck manufacturing companies globally. Kenworth has a reputation for durability, innovation, and driver comfort, making it a top choice among trucking professionals. Founded in 1923, Kenworth has grown into an industry leader, producing trucks that are efficient, powerful, and designed for long-haul, regional, and vocational applications. 2. History of Kenworth. Kenworth's journey began as Girl in her Motor Car Company in 1912 in Portland, Oregon. The company initially built heavy-duty commercial trucks. However, in 1923, the company was rebranded as Kenworth after its two major investors, Harry Kent and Edgar Worthington. Kenworth was one of the first truck manufacturers to introduce diesel engines, which significantly improved fuel efficiency and power. Over the decades, Kenworth has continued to innovate, introducing aerodynamic designs, advanced safety features, and fuel-efficient technologies. 3. Manufacturing and production. Kenworth trucks are manufactured in multiple state-of-the-art facilities across North America, Australia, and Mexico. Some of the major Kenworth manufacturing plants are located in Chillicothe, Ohio, USA. Renton, Washington, USA. Mexicali, Mexico. Bayswater, Australia. Each facility is equipped with advanced robotic technology and high-precision assembly lines to ensure the highest quality standards. Kenworth focuses on custom-built trucks, meaning customers can configure their trucks based on specific needs, including engine options, transmissions, sleeper cabs, and safety features. 4. Kenworth truck models. Kenworth offers a range of heavy-duty, medium-duty, and vocational trucks. Let's go through some of their most popular models. A. Heavy-duty trucks, Class A. 1. Kenworth W990. A premium long-haul truck with the classic Kenworth look. Features a powerful PACCAR MX-13 engine, luxury interiors, and advanced aerodynamics. Known for comfort and durability, making it a favorite for owner-operators. 2. Kenworth T680. One of the most fuel-efficient and aerodynamic trucks in Kenworth's lineup. Offers a PACCAR MX-13 or Cummins X15 engine with up to 565 horsepower. Designed for long-haul efficiency, featuring a spacious sleeper cabin and advanced driver assistance systems. 3. Kenworth T880. A versatile workhorse ideal for construction, logging, and heavy hauling. Offers high-strength steel frame, multiple axle configurations, and durable components. B. Medium-duty trucks, Class 5A7. 1. Kenworth T270 T370. Ideal for regional deliveries, tow trucks, and municipal services. Available in single-axle and tandem-axle configurations. 2. Kenworth K270 K370. Cab-over-engine, coupe models, perfect for urban delivery applications. Compact design allows easy maneuvering in city environments. C. Vocational trucks. 1. Kenworth C500. Designed for extreme-duty applications, including oil fields, mining, and logging. Heavy-duty frame and height-to-work engine options. 2. Kenworth T480 T380. Suitable for utility services, emergency vehicles, and light vocational work. 5. Engines and performance. Kenworth trucks offer Packard and Cummins engines, ensuring high power, fuel efficiency, and durability. A. Packard MX engines. Packard MX 13, up to 565 horsepower and 1,850 pounds-feet torque. Packard MX 11, up to 455 horsepower and 1,700 pounds-feet torque. Packard engines are lightweight, fuel-efficient, and designed for long service life. B. Cummins engines. Cummins X15, a powerful 15-liter engine with up to 605 horsepower. Cummins L9, medium-duty engine with low emissions and fuel efficiency. Kenworth trucks also offer natural gas and electric powertrain options for environmentally conscious fleets. 6. Technology and features. Kenworth integrates cutting-edge technology into its trucks for better performance, driver comfort, and safety. A. Aerodynamics fuel efficiency. Kenworth uses advanced aerodynamics in models like the T680, reducing wind resistance and improving fuel economy. Predictive cruise control and automatic transmission systems enhance efficiency. B. Driver comfort interior. Kenworth trucks feature luxurious sleeper cabins, ergonomic controls, and high-quality materials. Premium seats, LED lighting, advanced climate control, and infotainment systems ensure driver comfort. C. Safety driver assistance. Kenworth trucks come equipped with advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, collision mitigation systems, blind spot monitoring, electronic stability control. 7. Why choose Kenworth? Kenworth is known for superior build quality and customization options, fuel-efficient designs that reduce operating costs, reliable and powerful engines for all applications, driver-friendly interiors with advanced comfort and safety features. strong resale value, making it a smart investment. Fleet owners, independent operators, and businesses trust Kenworth for its durability, efficiency, and advanced technology. 8. Conclusion. Kenworth has been at the forefront of trucking innovation for over a century. Whether you need a long-haul truck, a heavy-duty workhorse, or a reliable medium-duty truck, Kenworth has a model that fits your needs. With state-of-the-art engineering, powerful engines, and driver-focused features, Kenworth continues to be a top choice in the trucking industry. Thank you for listening to this detailed explanation of Kenworth trucks. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed truck reviews and industry insights. Stay safe on the road, and until next time, keep on trucking.